Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to find prime numbers of a given number. So let's get started. First we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. All these programs are basic level programs. In further videos we will see more complex programs. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. We need to be careful while giving the indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File and click on Save As. Now we can give any file name. For example, primename.py. Here primename is the file name and we need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name.py and click on Save. Yeah, file is saved. Here you can see. And we also got Python file here. And now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. So to open command prompt, click here and enter cmd. Now we need to give path cd space desktop, enter. Now dictionary dir, enter. Now file name dot py, enter. Now enter any number. For example, enter 30. See, these are the prime numbers of number 30. Again we will see primename.py, enter. Now we will enter 15. See, these are the prime numbers of number 15. In this way we can write the Python program to find prime numbers of a given number. Copy this output and paste over here. Yeah, this is the output and this is the code. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user. After that, it will go to for loop. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Here high value ranges from 1 comma n plus 1. If we suppose, for example, if we take n equal to 30, then I value ranges from 1 to n plus 1 means 31. 1 to 31. So this for loop repeats for 30 times. Then it will enter the loop. Then it will check the condition. After that, it will go to this for loop. If this condition is true, then it will go to this for loop for j in range of 2 comma I. Then it will enter the loop. After that, it will check this condition. If I modulus j equal 0, this is the modulus operator. This modulus operator will give remainder of this number. After doing I modulus j, then it will give remainder. Then it will check the remainder equal 0 or not. If this statement is true, then it will break the loop, or else it will print the I. In this way, we can find the prime numbers of a given number. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions or doubts with this code, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.